Is this the end? Hi Dad, it's Chris.
Alright.
How you doing?
Shocking, but thanks for asking.
Same all day.
Yeah.
Well, we are actually shocking as well with Doreen. Sorry, broke down. Yeah.
So it's either the coolant hose or the water pump, one of the two.
Yeah, we kind of guessed it was because obviously the liquid was kind of clear. It was coming out like flushing down, so we was like, ooh. We called the AA, and after a couple of hours, a recovery van came. Nice guy.
The lovely AA man has brought us to the garage, which also doubles up as a campsite, so we get showered tonight.
And which is kind of nice. And they gave us a free night's accommodation in the campsite.
That's alright, isn't it?
Yeah.
So it was just a hose then?
The mechanic was a guy called Quirks from Latvia, and he had a little look over it. You know, because we've got a really slow engine leak, which apparently is quite common in transits. I think that was dripping onto the coolant pipe. Little test drive?
Test drive, but there is no leak at the moment. Let's see if she gets hot on our test drive.
The temperature gauge is low. It's going up a little bit.
The drip was dripping onto one of the radiator, the coolant pipes, which caused it.
Pipe.
Yeah, the rubber pipes, and caused it basically to corrode away. Our best mate, Gert. Thank you so much, Gert.
Gert's the mechanic.
Absolutely lovely. Managed to take the part out, put it back in, all within an hour.
And the overall cost? Not bad actually, was it?
It wasn't.
700 krona, which is
70 quid.
So that's a lot cheaper than we actually imagined. So thank you very much, Gert. I think that was a bit of a discount on his part. So. And yeah, so we're off to Trondheim to see Paloma's friend Uda again. Well, that's the first time Doreen's ever broken down. So and then we woke up in the morning feeling dead rough. We did a COVID test and it came back positive for COVID. Yeah, so we drove out into the nature, trying to get away from everyone. I'm in the middle of this big forest now by a lake, which is very nice.
Lovely down there, isn't it?
Oh, it's beautiful, honestly. Like, there's like these tiny frogs here. There's like about 1,000 different types of mushrooms in the woods. We've been going on a little walk through the forest when we've had the energy, and we're not brave enough to try the mushrooms, but there's so many of them and they're all so different.
Magic mushrooms, eh?
Yeah.
Paloma alright?
Yeah, we've both been like feeling up and down. Like the first day wasn't too bad, and then we got a bit worse. I couldn't sleep very well the first night. I was having like insomnia, and then woke up the next day, and Sam and Gabby from another channel called Lindyvanner, Paloma knows them, but they're travelling through.
She knows everyone in every country.
I know, it's mad, isn't it? She knows everyone. They came out of their way and gave us a little care package. Come and give us a care package.
Hello.
Out in the middle of the wilderness. And these guys are vanlifing through Europe like us too?
Yeah. So we came from the UK.
We spent a good 2-3 weeks in Finland, and then up to the Arctic Circle, and then zigzagging down the west coast of Norway.
So we're kind of going the opposite way to you guys.
Yeah, kind of. These guys have got really cool videos, and they've been travelling a lot, and we're hoping to do some exciting videos in the future with them. So make sure you check out the link in the description to them.
Watch out for some future collaborations.
But it's very nice of them. They're very nice. It's very nice to meet them, and we said we might meet them again in Eastern Europe in the autumn.
Eastern Europe.
Like Romania, Croatia, you know. Croatia's not in the Schengen, so we can go there without Schengen issues.
Yeah, you want to speak to you now.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello, how you doing? Everything okay back at home?
Yeah. Look at Steve's birthday went round. We've been round every Aldi round here because she likes the Teletubbies.
Yeah.
And you can get them in Aldi. I wish we would have kept Alex's, but we give them away to someone.
I didn't even know Teletubbies was still a thing.
Yeah, still popular.
There's no Aldi's in Norway, but when we're driving back through Europe, we'll have a look. We've got a lake just round the forest where we are here. we're feeling a bit hot with fever still, so we might go jump in to cool ourselves down after the call, maybe.
Lake everywhere you go.
I know there's literally like 1 million lakes in this country. Yeah.
Every part you go in Norway is really nice, isn't it?
It is. It's crazy how beautiful it is.
Yeah, not in that.
It just makes us more want to go on the cruise to see the fjords. You get different views again on the ship because it's supposed to be the best views ever on.
Yeah, defo driving. We obviously see them from the road. If you're coming down in a boat, it'll be amazing. We have got the kayak, which we've got out a couple of times, but we want to get out a little bit more on it. How long did you guys have to isolate for?
I tested positive for 2 weeks now.
Did you? Oh, you had a really strong... Paloma had a real strong line as well. I'm meant to be going Svalbard in about 3 weeks, so I hope we're negative by then.
Yeah, it could be like a week or two.
Yeah.
Dad wants another word, he's holding his hand.
Okay.
Right.
Hello.
I was just thinking, when you're doing that hike, that long hike thing, Paloma looked a bit worse for wear.
She looked worse for wear. That's Paloma. Anytime we've done a hike in Norway, she's just complained and whinged because she's not very fit at the moment.
It's just my hiking hands. They hang when I'm hiking.
Yeah.
Well, I was just thinking maybe she had COVID and it was...
She had to actually take a nap just in the side of the snow.
3 hours sleep.
We did only have 3 hours sleep, obviously, because we wanted to catch the sunrise as well.
Yeah, you got videos, those smashing.
Yeah, it's like having a big picture postcard on you.
Especially when you're far away with the drone and you zoom in on that rock thing, Roadrunner.
Trolltunga.
It was the end of it that dropped off, and
Yeah, it was. She
then he overtook it before he hit the bottom, and then it landed on his head.
That's what you've got a tattoo of on your bum, haven't you?
No, that's Woody Woodpecker.
Oh, is that Woody Woodpecker? What made you choose that?
I don't know.
You don't know.
Where you off to next?
Where are we off to next? We told Mum we're going to Svalbard at the beginning of September for 5 days, and then we're gonna probably pop into Finland and Lapland and see Santa Claus on the way back down. Yeah, I'll give you a call again soon for an update.
Alright, so hopefully you don't get anywhere.
Enjoy the rest of your day.
Ta-da.
See you later. Bye bye.
Ta.
Ta-da.
Bye.